Again, I'm Laila Robles from Calamba City, Laguna, member of Philippines under the group of Power Wheel Magro Jan team. I started to provide help on January 14, 2016 for the total of 2,500. January 31, 2016, I provide help 80,000 pesos. On April 2, 2016, I requested help to the community for the total of 63,500. I confirmed 25,000 on the same date, April 2, 2016. And on April 5, 2016, I also confirmed the amount of 38,500. So, all in all, I received the total amount of 63,500 on April 5, 2016. Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. Thank you, Sir Sergey Mavrodi, founder of MMM. I also want to give thanks to the community that help each other. Thanks to my power leader, power wheel, and higher leaders for the guidance and support always. Thank you, MMM Philippines. MMM really pays. Long live MMM. Together we can change the world. To God be the glory.